Batting opening pairs define the fortune of a team. When the openers give the team a good start and stability at top, the team invariably does well. We are going to list the top best opening pairs in cricket history. Starting with the list, at number 10 we have Amir Sohail and Saeed Anwar. Both played together from 1990 to 2000, scoring 2,856 runs with 3 centuries and 20 half centuries in their account, at an average of 39 in 73 innings. Their highest partnership was 173. At number 9 we have Herschel Gibbs and Graeme Smith. They played together from 2002 to 2009 and scored 3007 runs with 813 half centuries at an average of 41 in 74 innings. They managed the highest partnership of 174. On number 8, Dilshan and Upal Tharanga. They played for 5 years together as openers from 2009 to 2014. They scored 3,159 runs with 913 half centuries with highest score of 282. They have an average of 45 in 71 innings. At number 7 we place Aaron Finch and David Warner. Both have an opening combination since 2014 and have scored 3,297 runs in 65 innings with 10 centuries and 14 half centuries at an average of 51. Their highest partnership is 258 not out. At number 6, Adam Gilchrist and Mark Waugh played together as openers from 1998 to 2002, scoring 3,853 runs together, having 206 highest partnership with 8 centuries and 20 half centuries at an average of 41.43 in 93 innings. At number 5 we have Virender Sehwag and Sachin Tendulkar. The opening pair discovered in 2002 and ended in 2012, scoring 3,919 runs in 93 innings, giving highest of 182 runs with 12 centuries and 18 half centuries at an average of 42. At number 4 is Hashim Amla and Quinton de Kock. They scored opening together from 2013 and ended in 2019 due to retirement of Hashim Amla. They scored 4,198 runs in 93 innings with 11 centuries and 14 half centuries at an average of 46. Their highest partnership was 282 not out. At number 3, Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma. They played as openers together from 2013 and still playing. They scored 4,802 runs with 16 centuries and 14 half-centuries at an average of 45 in 107 innings. Their highest partnership is 210. At number 2 is Adam Gilchrist and Matthew Hayden. The partnership as openers started in 2001 and ended in 2008. They scored 5,372 runs together in 114 innings, with 16 centuries and 29 half-centuries at an average of 48.29. Their highest score was 172. Topping our list today is Sourav Ganguly and Sachin Tendulkar. Played as openers for 11 years from 1996 to 2007, scoring 6,609 runs with 21 centuries and 23 half-centuries at an average of 49.32 in 136 innings, and the highest partnership between them was 258 runs. Hope you like the video, so do like, share and subscribe, and recommend the videos about cricket we should make for you, and let us know about your curiosity and suggestions.